No, silly. Winnie the Pooh doesn't go in there. Brendan, where's the letter A? Let's put the letter A in there. Winnie the Pooh doesn't fit in there. Where's the letter A? Do you see A? Where's A? I see it. Where is it? Where is it? No. Where's the letter A? Keep looking. That's it. Okay, put it in, please. Put the letter A in the machine. Well done. Brendan? Bren, where's the letter B? Oh, you want a crisp first? Who wouldn't? Okay, come here, please. Come. Come. Where's the letter B? Do you see the letter B? B for Brendan. Well done. Where's the letter C? Where's the letter C? Do you see the letter C? Keep looking. Well done. Good job, pal. Good job. Oh, off for more crisps. Good job, sir.